As November is ending and December is right around the corner, you've probably put on a jacket, but ants don't have that luxury. Today, I will be going over how ants have adapted to the cold temperatures. Disclaimer: all of the information that will be said apply to ants native to non-tropical regions. They don't apply to tropical ants or exotic tropical ants kept in colder regions. Like any insect, ants are exothermic. Exothermic means you can't regulate internal temperatures. In addition, you are very vulnerable to outside temperature change. Low temperatures in exothermic animals are usually expressed in decreased activity and metabolism. High temperatures in exothermic creatures are expressed in increased metabolic function and activity. So, what's the point to throttling back when it's cold? Well, there's usually no food in winter. Decreased metabolic function means the ants turn food into energy slower, so they can just sit around but not starve. Combined with the fact that ants deliberately overfeed their sisters and brood, ants can pass the winter like a bear. The question is, why hibernate your ants? Well, hibernation provides a crucial break for the ants. Queens can stop laying eggs, workers don't need to work. Hibernation can also dramatically increase lifespan of a colony and its workers. Because of the information above, my ants need to hibernate. All in all, I am preparing for hibernation. My ants are too. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I'm just another ant keeper. Good luck on your ant keeping journey.